Hey everybody, it's Nikki. Welcome to my channel, The Everyday Life of an OCD-ish Chick. Hey guys, I'm out here harvesting some of my veggies. Isn't that pretty? And let's see, I think I got another one here somewhere. There was one. There was a larger one. I don't know what happened. They fell. Like it fell from the... Here's another. I'll take this one too. Looks like something got inside that, so I don't want that. Best yet journey, there's that number 3 again. These flies really like this fig tree. That one, I'm just gonna put that down there. Looks like, I don't know if something's inside that one or not. But I'm gonna take that. Put that. Feeling them for softness. These are still a little hard. I may go ahead and take this green one. I might come bring this in and let it ripen inside. Oh, look. They're small, but there's something. But I think I'm gonna... A couple of small potatoes. Still have some tubers on them. I see some small ones still, so I'm gonna cover these up and let them keep going. Oh, wow. This is really growing. I see the slimy stuff. It looks like definitely, well, there's a lot of ants in here too. I'm not sure what that's all about. But slimy stuff, that looks like slugs. This broccoli is really taking off. Look at that. And the red romaine lettuce is looking good. And the celery back there is looking good. And the corn is hanging in there. Yeah. Flat leaf parsley. Gather some of this up and one lone fig. Not a bad harvest. Find something you love and have fun doing it.